Hello beautiful people, and thank you for tuning in on this channel for a new video. First of all, I would like to say sorry for my voice, but that is a remainder of a huge bronchitis that I had in the past weeks. But now I'm standing here and I'm very glad to present a new video to you all. So, without further ado, let's go to it. I have here the old brake booster of the Corvette, and the plan is to get it open to look inside what went wrong inside. This is the old brake booster that we replaced with a new one about 3 years ago. The new one is defect now, also because of a vacuum leak. We could hear that vacuum leak very clearly with this stethoscope that I bought on Amazon. I listened with it while my wife was pushing the brake pedal, and I listened to the front side here, and I could hear clearly the vacuum leak. But on this side, the side that is closest to the firewall, there was the sound of the vacuum leak very loud. So this side, the membrane here, probably is defect in the new one. So we will have to disassemble that one too, open it and see what went wrong inside. So we have to disassemble that booster also, open it, see what is wrong, and if we can't fix it with the two together, can't fix the problem, we have to order a new booster and assemble that one in the Corvette. Those videos are following in the near future. That is it for the brake booster story. Then we are planning to make a video about the smartwatch. It will consist first of all of a video of the unpacking of the watch, and then the second video will handle about how it works and how the software works. That are two videos that are coming in the near future too. And then last but not least, we are planning to make a new video about one of the newest security cameras, in fact a 4K camera, and it will consist also about of two videos. The first one of the unpacking, and the second one about the working process, how the video works and how the software works. The software of that one is very good, so stay tuned for that one too. I will try to post all these videos in the near future, so guys, stay tuned for these videos. They are really worth it. So that is it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Consider subscribing, it would mean a lot to me. Hit the bell icon to get a notification of the new coming videos. Stay safe. Stay healthy, and most of all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!